I'm about to show you how you can see your liked posts or liked publications on Instagram. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is log into your Instagram account, then go to your profile, and once you are here, you need to click at the top right. You will see this icon. So once you click there, you need to go to your activity, and once you are here, you will see your interactions. So you can see the posts you have liked, commented, and more. So in this case, we want to see the posts we have liked. So if you click here, you will see all the posts where you have liked. As you can see, if I click here, this will open the posts, and as you can see, I have liked it. And if I go to another one, for example this one, and like it, I can go and this will update. You can filter it by newest or oldest. You can filter it by dates as well. You can filter by content type, so if you want to search for posts only or reels only, and for a specific account. So if you want to see the likes you have given to a specific account, you can do that as well. And that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.